Hello.
This one is seriously powerful.
Oh, wow. This is incredible.
Went on this one for just a little bit there. Jeez.
This is incredible. So this is actually the X9 scooter. So you can see that we are showing you the X series today from Shenzhen Qixin Technology. This is the X9 scooter. Wow, is what I'm going to say. Wow.
It's wow. Exactly. You can already just from the design feel the power of this machine. It really is incredible. And we've got a slightly different setup here. We've got the battery inside the base of the unit. On the front, we don't have a motor. This one is rear wheel drive. So we can see on the back of this even bigger wheel here, we've got a 10-inch wheel with a really powerful motor. This one is delivering 36 watts, 36 volts of power or 500 watts. And this one, because it's so powerful, can climb an incline of up to 25 degrees. Okay, that's the biggest we've seen all day here today.
It's amazing.
Apart from the mountain bike, obviously. This one has a ground clearance of 120 millimeters, same as the last one. But the power on this one is just simply mind-blowing. I literally just went from there to here. And whoa! I actually got some wheel spin. It was fantastic.
Sneaking behind me there, but it's absolutely incredible. The speed is just...
Love this one, honestly. So let's talk about the big numbers. Let's just go all in right now because this one has an even crazier speed. Okay, the last one we said was impressive at 32 kilometers an hour. Wow. This one breaks even further and is 40 kilometers per hour. So seriously, your hair is going to be all over the place, Sophie. And you must wear a helmet, I advise, when you are riding at 40 kilometers an hour, maximum speed. And the range doesn't lose anything, still stays at 45 kilometers. This one is so impressive.
Incredible.
You can just feel it's a bigger, stronger, more stable, and from these numbers, clearly a more powerful vehicle. So really, really exciting on this one. The frame is made of aluminium magnesium alloy, which means it's really strong. It's mildly heavier at 18 kilograms, but it's also foldable and portable. So this one's just kind of the bigger brother of the last one. It's kind of the heavier brother as well, but it's just got that extra kick.
Indeed. This is actually the latest product that has been developed from Shenzhen Qixin Technology. Developed by the company to meet the market demand. So we are bringing to you one of the latest products that you guys have been looking for, basically.
Sometimes people say less is more. This one, more is more.
Yeah, this is a beast. This is incredible. And actually, in terms, let's go back to the tires. I know that you mentioned they were actually 10-inch, but these are actually anti-puncture vacuum tires, which is important to point out. So they're not just a standard wire; they are standard tire. These are anti-puncture vacuum tires as well. But again, the design is really sleek in terms of the color. You've got the red highlights. And again, the red is your key part to actually accelerating, to driving the electric scooter.
This is the throttle, Sophie.
It's the throttle. It's the acceleration. But again, it uses the same system. So for example, if you do stand on the scooter itself, press that, it will not suddenly shoot you off.
Push yourself off, and then it will carry you off into the distance at a whopping 40 kilometers per hour, all the way to 45 kilometers distance. Again, it has here, we can see we've got 2 points of entry under here, which if you do flick up these two, you can then undo the battery pack and again replace the battery. So if you've got one at the office, one at home, you can just do those. Although it only takes about 5 hours to charge from 0 to full. On this one, again, we have a LED light at the front, and I believe you can probably see if I turn, here we go.
Yep, the brake light.
The brake light on the rear.
Which is very strong, it's very clear, which is what we want to be safe.
That's the point of it. So if I show you then the rear brake, we can see the hydraulic disc brake system here, really nice and efficient. And of course, power unit, the electric motor at the back. So once we stop, and we do here, and of course, once again, we can stop our bike with our manual as well. So we've got a double brake, double security system.
Another feature of this is that it is also waterproof. It has a waterproof level of IP54. So if you are going to be getting caught up in any rain, you know,
No
riding
problems.
through, anything like that, no problems.
You can have some
all.
fun in puddles and stuff with this one. Love it.
You would love that, right?
I love this. It's kind of got like an ADV rally cross kind of feeling to it. It's a sports utility electric scooter. So do remember this is the X9 from CULLINAN here, which is really a great product.
It is. It's the latest product from them. And actually, again, you've got the bag hook. So ladies, we have you covered.
Listen, I've got stuff I can hang on that as well, honestly. So if you just want to pop down to the grocery store, if you want to get a few things, pop it on there and whiz your way back. You can have fun doing your chores, okay? Really great fun way to...
I love that little addition in there.
Honestly, absolutely. It's not just for your Gucci bag. Of course it is as well. But if you need to just do something, even if it's raining, have no fear. You will still be having fun.
So definitely, dear friends, if you are loving the X8 or the X9 from Shenzhen Qixin Technology, let us know down below now. Send us your comments. And if you have any particular and specific questions, you can see that there is a product link that has just popped up right now for these scooters, where you can actually get in touch with the direct seller. So you can ask any questions, or if you've got any special requirements, you can contact them directly and get your orders in as soon as possible, because as we said, Scott, what do we have going on today? We have 30% off.
And you've got literally about 1 hour remaining for all of our items here today. So if you do have a question, if you do want to know delivery times, demo products, etc. in your area, right now in the comment section below, CULLINAN is watching. All of their team are here and ready to take your questions and answer them. If you've got a comment for Sophie and myself, Scott, let us know as well. Otherwise, enjoy this and make sure you get your orders in within the next hour, because otherwise you will lose 30% off your purchasing price. Okay, so do make sure that you get that in. So dear friends, let's now quickly watch a brief video about the brand of CULLINAN. Please enjoy.
Shenzhen Qixin Electronics Company Limited, located in Longhua District.